Yeah, I must say that today's extended session is really a very good approach, because in today's world it's very rare where beyond scheduled time or beyond scheduled end time, institute is organizing session for all the participants and for their benefit. Is really welcome approach and very rare as well. So really thank you for the same. Even sir, your yellow
Yeah.
belt training scheduled on 16th September, I guess I have already recommended to some participants to attend it, because they
Okay.
definitely they can get benefited out of it. I'm quite sure about it. See, I had an offer to do the same course from other institutes as well, and they were focusing to get it done within 3 days. Okay, and with the same pricing. So but when I saw Anexas, they are offering it in 6 days. That means they are going beyond their schedule and they are focusing on case studies so that people can understand different approaches in detail. It's not only like a hurry session just to complete it in like 3 days. So that is something I really like, that you are all focused on actually developing people. And I see that you take pride in the same.
So I echo what Salil says. It has been a great learning. I mean, I came to this session with an open mind. Though I have been green belt trained in past, but the practical application is something that you really don't get in all. Was extremely patient, showed us so many examples. I personally had issues understanding a few things. I asked him multiple times. He showed with examples. The notes that he made was really helpful. I mean, you can really refer to that whenever you need some immediate assistance. So it has been overall a great experience, Amitabh. I mean, it's a great job done by your entire team.
So my overall experience was really good, and I especially want to thank you, sir, for explaining the concepts with patient, with lot of examples. And as I am from a pharma background, so I didn't have that much of background for statistics. It was really difficult. But the way you helped, it was really good. It helped me to understand. But still, a lot of things I have to understand also. But I can work on that and can get in touch with you. And another thing that I want to mention is about the practical examples that you did on your sessions. So it was really helpful to understand the how the concepts are being used in the practical way. So I would like to say that overall it was a good experience, and thanks for the sessions where you didn't look at the watch to finish off early. So you conduct the session to the extent it is required. So that is something which I should be really grateful for. So thank you so much, sir, and we'll be happy to be associated with you as well in future, as you said. So thank you.
Yes, many thanks to you. Because initially, before joining Six Sigma, I had this in mind that there's a lot of statistics involved, and probably I would not be able to cope up. But yes, there are concepts which I have understood. Few I will need to practice with time. I will probably do better with them, and also I'll try to inculcate whatever has been taught to me, and will always revert to you in case I get stuck somewhere. So I will trouble you in case I get stuck somewhere. And the overall training was taken in a very professional manner, right from doing the registration to getting the training done. Everything was done very professionally, and from my batch, the whole batch, I would like to say thanks to Anexa for being there for us. Thank you so much.
Hi, good morning. So yeah, as I said the other day as well, initially I was hesitant whether I can do this or this is the right approach for me to pursue something different. So I've spoken to you, Amita, personally as well, outside the training, before I started the training even. So I liked your presentation, one of your YouTube video. I liked your YouTube video. I think Yellow Belt you conducted online. So from there on, yeah, I thought like, yeah, I must do something different and then see like, yeah, how annexes are doing. Yeah, then I registered. I started 3 weeks ago anyway. Yeah, all the training session was conducted right to the top mark. as far as I can say, what I do in UK training sessions and others, it's similar or even better. Yeah, so
Oh,
to
that's
some extent
great.
it's better
That's
than UK training institutions, definitely. Yeah, so which is I must say. And yeah, at the end of the day, it's very professional, and then going beyond expectation, basically. So thanks to you, Amitabh, and then all your team.